Just look at her. Roomy, you look amazing.
Welcome to our workshop.
Hi there, so glad to see you, Lili. Let me check the reference. All right, let's start with the hair.
We need a dramatic change.
No cutting, just snip off those hair ties instead.
Okay, 1 sec. Done. What's next?
Huh?
Oh, now we brush it. I need a comb. Like that. Wow, such gorgeous hair. Straight out of a shampoo ad.
Thank you.
With hair like this, we can do anything.
Separate the front strands, just like that, nice and neat. Spray a little hairspray and curl them with a flat iron. Lili, grab the scissors.
I've got something even cooler. Pop.
Now we've got a fabulous fringe. Apply some gel. Spread it evenly all the way through. Gather it into a high ponytail. Attach the wire and braid it, leaving 2 strands out.
Got it. I wrote it all down. Can I try?
Of course, here you go.
Now we weave the wire into the braids, strand by strand. That way they'll hold their shape. Ta-da!
You did great, awesome job. All right, hair is done. Now makeup.
Lili doesn't have any patterns on her skin.
Here, take a bar of soap.
Right, we'll wash it all off. Roomy has to look just like Lili. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Wipe it off well with a sponge. Now the face. Voila!
All right, time to bring out the makeup.
Love magic. Here's my palette. I'll paint new big eyes, pink irises, highlight the lashes,
and a star.
Wow, I love it so much. Thank you, I feel totally different.
Braids are a total trend.
Wow, there's a bodysuit for Lili. Try it on. Perfect. I'll need this fabric for crafting. Placing the star template on top. Trace it once. And twice. Look at that cute pattern. Hey! Cutting along the outline. A hole in the center. It turned into a skirt. I'll attach it at the top. Where's my sewing machine? Lili, can you stitch this?
Easy peasy. I love using the sewing machine. La la la. La la la, what do you think?
It suits you, but this dress is for Lili. Pop! Ta-da! Fasten the straps. The star? Hand it over. Let's decorate the top. A white underskirt. Oh, these shoes don't match at all. Wow, it's a little surprise.
Let's open it fast. Cut, cut, cut.
Inside we have new boots and leg warmers. Put them on. And now the stars.
Ooh, this turned out amazing. Looks like just the real Lili. Let's film a TikTok together.
Great idea.
So cool. We're definitely going viral. Oh, where am I?
Did you get hurt?
Nope, soft landing. Let's make a kitty for Lili.
Great idea. We can sculpt it from light clay.
Yes.
Tear off a piece of clay. Knead it.
Oh my gosh.
I want to try too. Pop, pop. Like that. Ta-da!
Great job. Hand it here. Attach the parts together. Fix the paws.
And the tail. So cool.
Shape the face with a tool.
Meow, I'm a kitty.
Aw, that's adorable. Pop. This will come in handy. Oh, what a cutie. Add a bit of white here. I'll paint whiskers with a thin brush. Here you go, Lili. Oh, thank you. He's so wonderful.
Ready for a makeover?
Huh? Always ready.
Super duper, let's begin. Hold on, I need a bigger reference. There we go, much better.
Am I gonna look like that?
Yep, what's the problem? Looks like a cool Rory to me. Lalalu, should we start with the hair?
As you wish. We'll need some paint.
Wait! We need blue. I'll hold, you paint.
Okay, like this. Cover the hair with acrylic.
Lalalu, don't forget the eyebrows.
Right, they should match. All set, perfect match.
What do you mean, perfect? What about the curls? Ginu doesn't have them, see?
But what will I make them from?
I'll order everything. Oh, it's here already.
Hey!
That's the wrong color. Pop, here, pick whatever you like.
Blue light clay will work. Tear off a piece and shape the strands. Use a tool to add texture.
See, I even brought the pattern.
Perfect, hand it over. We've got the pattern, but where's the fabric?
Hold on, 1 sec. I've got a whole bunch of stuff here.
Is that gold? That would totally suit me.
Genu, did you even see the reference? We need this fabric right here.
Okay, give it to me and let's start. Hop, place the pattern. Trace the outline. Cut it out with scissors. The pieces are ready.
Let me sew it.
Okay, thanks.
All right, where's my machine? Did I mention I love sewing? I'm done, Lalulu. The t-shirt is ready.
Is that for me?
Yep, try it on. I told you blue is totally your color.
Decorate it with a golden crown. Is that it?
Let's see. Something's missing, but what? Oh, right, shorts. I'll just snip the pants and it'll be all good.
Stop, Lolly, don't. No cutting needed.
Then what about the shorts?
Idea. Snip, cut it off. Fold the halves together. I'll sew it by hand. One leg and the second. The shorts are ready. Try them on, Rory. Perfect.
And a belt for the waist.
Oh, there's a heart. Boom. Let's finish the look with a superhero cape.
Oh, give it to me. I'm off to save Lala World. Whoosh, forward. Woohoo! Lily is coming to the rescue.
Stop right there. Give it back.
What?
Huh? That cape isn't for you. It's for Rory. Yep, it's mine.
And I was so close to joining the Justice League. It looks good on you too.
Check this out. Hi-ya!
Hey, careful! By the way, Lalulu, he needs new sneakers.
Okay, coming right up. Here, hero, sit right here. Okay. We need to knead the blue and white light clay really well. Then I'll cover the old shoes and shape them with a sculpting tool.
Now we coat them with varnish.
Bright yellow laces. They look awesome.
Super! Now he's a real Rory. Time to relax.
Yep, I'm eating cookies. Huh.
I've seen something like this before. Exactly, a shield. This will come in handy.
No, that's my cookie.
Lalulu, it's for a good cause.
Not giving it.
Give it!
No.
Look, a bird!
Where? Hey, there's no bird and no cookie. Lolly!
It worked! Oops! Oh no! It broke!
Aww. Don't worry, you can fix it.
Lolly love!
The cookie is whole again.
My magic worked again. Lalulu, I need you!
What now, cookie thief?
Can you please decorate it with cream?
You're too cute to refuse. Carefully piping the design. And done. Voila!
Look, I brought a ring.
Oh. So is it ready yet? Here you go, Rory. Now I can fight evil. Woohoo! Watch out, villains. This city is under protection now.
Yeah, don't go overboard. It's just a party costume. Come in.
Lily, what happened?
Oh, Rory, the party is already over. We missed it.
Oh, this youth.
Who said the party is over? Let's throw our own.
Let's go. These are the awesome looks we created.
Thank you, Lalulu.
We made it here. The girls are in for a real transformation into Lili, Kissy Missy, and Rory. Who wants to go first? Roomy, spin the wheel.
Let's go.
Let's check our list. First up is hair.
Yes.
So that's where we'll start. We take out the hair tie and undo the braid. I look so funny. Now let's wash your hair.
Oh, I love this part.
Thank you.
While the hair dries, we'll do the makeup. We completely remove the brows with acetone and erase the lips. Instead of brows, we'll make curled lashes using hot glue. Once it's dry, we color the pieces with a black marker and attach them near the eyes. We also draw Roomy a new smile with purple lips. Makeup done. Back to the hair. Brush it out and separate two sections at the top. Make 2 high pigtails on the sides and 1 more from the remaining hair. Set everything with gel. We also added a few black streaks. Divide the main ponytail into 2 parts, twist them together, and form 1 thick rope braid.
Wow!
Trim the ends a little, and go back to our pigtails. Braid 2 small braids and style them in Lily's signature shape. Wow, I look so much like Lily. Hair is done too. Great, I think it turned out really well.
Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
So girls, who's next?
Me. I want to go.
Lolly, lolly, lolly-loo. I'm picking you for crafts too. Mira, you're next. Spin the wheel. You got Kissy Missy. Perfect. Let's check the list. First item, hair. So we'll start with styling. Welcome to Lalalu's hair studio.
Wow.
First, we'll brush her hair out. Hair is smooth. Now we can cut. We're giving Mira a long bob. Oh, my hair. Don't worry, you're gonna have an amazing hairstyle. We make 2 high ponytails, leaving some face-framing pieces and a fringe at the front. Trim the ponytails a little more. Apply some hairspray to hold. Then use gel to smooth everything in place. Kissy Missy's hairstyle is done. We can check it off the list. My favorite color is pink. What's yours? Let me know in the comments. And now let's do the makeup. We'll need nail polish remover and cotton swabs. Remove the brows and pick up a brush. We're drawing on new brows with pink acrylic paint. Let's add a little sparkle with glittery pink nail polish. Fold back the lashes with a tool.
Hey.
Lalalu, I need a manicure too. We repaint Mira's nails pink.
Yay!
I am obsessed with this color. And we need to fix the lips too. And draw a wider smile, just like Kissy Missy's. That looks absolutely amazing. We're not done yet. Take some red pastel, scrape off a little, and apply it to the cheeks and nose. Perfect. We can check makeup off the list. Kissy Missy's look is coming together beautifully.
Lalalu, you didn't forget about me, did you? I got a bit of a situation here. Look, I got Rory. Let's hurry up and get started.
Huh? Of course, we'll take care of it right now.
Yes, let's go. What am I even supposed to do with this hair?
Turn around and I'll try to untangle it. There we go. It's not as bad as it looks. Cut off the hair nets and let the buns down. We'll start the transformation with the hair. It's too long. We'll need to cut it. We give Zoe a shortcut. We're gonna give you an even cooler style. Let's wash your hair. Blow dry and brush it out. Sweep the fringe to the side and trim the rest of the hair just a little more. Now for the fringe. Style it using extra strong hold gel. Color the hair with a blue spray paint. Rory's hairstyle is done.
Wow.
Checking it off the list. Go ahead and take a look at yourself.
Wow, what an unexpected look.
Woohoo!
I never would have thought this would suit me.
It looks really stylish. Now let's do the makeup. Remove the old look with acetone and start fresh. Draw brows in blue paint. Then we create a new smile. And that's it, nothing too complicated. Makeup gets checked off the list too.
Woohoo!
Now it's time for outfits. Who should we start with? Let's go with Kissy Missy.
Yay!
All right, Mira, let's put together your look.
Okay.
Shall we peek into the lolly wardrobe? Wow, we've got 4 secret packages in here. Which one should we open first? Let's try this one. Great, let's see what's inside. Oh wow, fluffy fabric. Lie down here and we'll make a pattern. Trace the silhouette and cut out our template. Transfer it onto the fabric and cut out 2 identical pieces. Sew the pieces together inside out. Take off the old clothes and put on the fluffy pink dress. I think it's really adorable.
Yes.
Time to check the second package. Something soft. Wow, what gorgeous fur. We'll use it to trim the dress.
Wow.
Yes, that's so much better. Opening the third package. Ta-da! We'll use this to make accessories. Define the waist, tie a blue ribbon around it, and add a bow choker. Where should these beads go? On the head? Oh, that's not quite right either. Oh, right here is perfect. The outfit is looking incredible. The only thing missing is new shoes. Time to open the fourth package. Great, we can definitely work with these. Put on pink knee-high socks, decorate them with blue ribbon, and make fluffy boots from faux fur and pom-poms.
Woohoo!
Now the look is completely finished.
Wow!
Gorgeous! We can check outfit off the list.
Yeah! Hey!
Lalalu, I've been waiting forever. It's time to keep going with my makeover. All right then, let's open your package.
Yay!
Okay, we've got outfit materials in here. The cardboard piece is a bit small though. Let's make it bigger. Now that's better. And there's our skirt pattern. Trace it first onto white fabric. That'll be the underskirt. And then onto black fabric. Cut both pieces out.
Wow!
Make a slit and do a fitting on Lili. First, we put on the black skirt, then layer the white underskirt underneath.
Wow!
That looks fantastic. Okay, the top needs some work too. Take off the jacket, remove all the decorations from the top, and add little sleeves. Leaving the top white won't do. We'll repaint it purple. And we'll add a bib with straps. The white shoes aren't working though. Cover the boots with black fabric. Wow, I love it so much. Oh, but something's still missing. Oh wow, what's that? It's a shooting star shower. Catch the stars. Look, I caught 3 of them. Oh wow, then I'm making a wish. I wish Lalulu gets tons and tons of subscribers. Thank you, Lily. Now let's stick these little stars onto your costume. Oh, they're not very sparkly though. Oh, I've got it. We'll cut more stars out of glitter foam sheet and layer them on top. Now that's perfect. Woohoo! My look is absolutely amazing. We can check off the last item on our list.
Lalulu, look, I already changed.
Oh, but that's not quite right. See? Rory has a different shirt.
You're right. Okay, let's make it then.
Catch your secret packages. See what's inside. A white t-shirt and paint. Quickly put on the t-shirt.
Thanks. Woohoo!
We repaint it turquoise, just like the picture. It looks great. Can you help me by cutting out a crown from yellow foam sheet? We glue it onto the t-shirt.
Hey.
Lalulu, let's open the second package.
Okay.
Wow, pre-made shorts. We just need to add a buckle. Which package should we open next?
This one.
We've got shoes in here.
Wow.
Not bad, but we need to repaint them blue and draw on yellow laces. Now they're perfect.
Oh, my tummy is rumbling.
Here, hold this cookie while I go look for the icing.
What?
Sorry, Lalulu, I couldn't help myself.
Okay, we'll figure something out. Grab an egg carton and a bowl. Tear the carton into small pieces and soak them in water. Squeeze out all the water. Then mix the cardboard pulp with white glue. Knead it until it becomes a smooth, even dough. Shape it into a round cookie and paint it orange. Make the icing using hot glue, let it dry, and paint it white. Your cookie shield is ready. Here you go.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Woohoo!
We can check outfit off the list. Wow, Rory, you're a true knight.
Yay! Yeah!
Here we are.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Let me know in the comments whose look you liked the most. Drop stars for Lily's look, crowns for Rory, and pink hearts for Kissy Missy.
Woohoo!
We're waiting for your likes and your comments.
And subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.